Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Cambodian immigration. And, a lot of people have been talking, they've been kind of comparing Cambodia to Thailand. I don't think it's an apples to apples comparison. A lot of people have said, yeah, it's easier to get into Cambodia. It's this and that. It's easy to deal with. From what I've heard from people, yeah, there are certain things that are easier. There are less requirements in certain ways. I know a lot of people get frustrated by the Thailand pass. I've said many times it's probably time to put down the Thailand pass as a policy tool. It's probably time to put that aside so we can get some tourists back in here. But that being said, long story short, I don't think it's an apples to apples comparison, and I also think people sometimes, especially expats here in Thailand or they've come to Thailand, they can get kind of grouchy about Thailand. It's kind of odd where they can, this place does it better, that place does it better. Well, maybe they do, maybe they don't. But, all in all, sometimes it's just not an apples to apples comparison. Meanwhile, there's also this feeling that, Thailand really cracked down and other places are a little more liberal. Not as you can tell, I don't think. And I was thinking of this, and I thought of making this video when I read a recent article from ASEAN Now. That's ASEANnow.com. Article is titled, "Seems You Need a Master's Degree to Handle Thai Immigration Rules." Quoting directly, "Many neighboring countries have already canceled this discretion, e.g. Cambodia is already telling overseas tourists, expats, or foreign workers that anyone without a valid visa is in an overstay position and will be subjected to overstay fines or worse." So it sounds like they had kind of a similar, quote-unquote, COVID visa extension that's ending. And look, they're getting serious again. Immigration across the board in this region, in my opinion, has always been pretty serious, but they're getting serious again. And they are getting back to sort of the status quo anti-policies. And what we're looking at is Cambodia's going back there. Overstay was a problem. If you overstayed in Cambodia, you could get into some pretty serious issues. You might not be able to get back in for a while, and it looks like they're going back to that. So, Thailand's not the only country in this region that has immigration rules, and they enforce them. Cambodia does too, and it looks like we're starting to see them do similar things over there that they're doing here in Thailand.